Today we are going to be demonstrating on how to operate the 3-door triple zone wine cooler with the 2 doors on the bottom. Now this is our front display and it's showing all 3 of our chambers signified by a blinking light. The third one is the bottom right, the first is the top, the big door, and the second is going to be the bottom left. As you can see, it blinking, once again, the actual temperatures in each chamber. Now to make adjustments to the temperature in each chamber, you unlock the unit by holding down the up and down for 5 seconds. The lock will go away, it will beep, and in order to actually make the adjustments, you hold on to the lamp button for 3 seconds, and now you're actually able to make the arrangements. Go ahead and make your adjustments. We're in the first, as you can see, by the blinking on top, and the 1, that's the big door. You go up and down to your desired temperature. Switch to the next one, you hit the lamp, and now we're on the second, which is the bottom left door. Make your adjustments going up and down to where you please. Going to the bottom right, the third door, we make the adjustments up and down. You let this sit for 2 to 3 seconds, and then it will start making the adjustments on its own, showing you the exact temperature currently in each chamber.